Hi, I'm Mary Stovall. I'm the Community Director at Hair Hub, and I also have my own Google Plus consulting business. I'm here with Marietta Oslanik, and she owns Immigration Biz.
Hi everyone, thanks for having me.
Thank you. So I'm here to chat with you some more about what you do as an immigration attorney. We've had a couple of conversations, but today I want to talk about the H-1B Visa and have you tell me a little bit about what that is and
Sounds good.
what
Sure.
we need to do.
So H1B Visa are working visa, non-immigrant visa for specialty occupations.
Okay.
So that means people who graduated from US universities and now are ready to find an employer, and once they find the employer and who is willing to sponsor them, they can apply for H1B working visa. And this working visa allows you to stay in the US and work for a particular employer for 3 years.
Okay.
If you want to extend the visa, you can do so for another 3 years, and the total amount of years for this type of visa is 7 years.
Okay. So what if I worked for a year, went back to my country, would I have to reapply, or?
If you worked for a year and then you went back to your country, then you have to definitely reapply. So in that case, we encourage you to apply early. That would be the earliest day this year is April 1st. There is a quota per year, only 65,000 work visas are issued for this category of visas. So we encourage to apply early on, let's say, April 1st or 2nd. Last year the quota was filled out by April 1st. April 5th.
Oh, okay, wow, that's fast.
Very fast.
So if I already have an H-1 visa and I want to reapply, does the quota count against me?
If you already have the H-1B visa and then let's say you have to go to your home country for some time and you are coming back, then the quota doesn't count.
Oh, okay.
That is the advantage.
And what if I'm a student? What if I currently am attending a university here in the US and I found a job? What do I do?
If you are a student, you're probably on F1 student visa or sometimes on J1 visa. We encourage to file for H1B because you are not allowed to work while you are on F1 visa. Unless you are working on campus, that's the exception. You are allowed to work part-time while you are working on campus. But if you want to work for any kind of US employer, you need to apply for H1B. Especially if you are studying. Once you are done with your studies, you are allowed to work for a year and you receive optional practical training, OPT, that allows you to find an employer, start working, or just do unpaid internship. And then eventually, if the employer likes you, we can sponsor you on H1B visa.
Okay, so if I was in a master's program or a PhD program and I wanted to do like a kind of research grant or something, would I have to have a visa, or would that fall under my F1 category?
Well, it depends, because with this grant it's a little bit different category. But if you are on master program and you have F1 visa, then you would have to apply again for H1B after you're done with your study. And sometimes, you know, while you are studying, especially foreign students, there is no time to work at the same time. You know, really, like especially if you're paying for the school, you really want to be focused and study. And then once you are done with your studies, you can either work as an intern or full-time employee, and you still have the option of OPT. And once the OPT is over, you can apply for H1B.
Okay, cool. Are there any other issues or concerns that I should know about right now?
Right now we are in almost February, and there is the deadline coming up, so we encourage everyone to apply as soon as possible, April 1st, 2nd, because the quota might be filled out again very soon.
And how much does it cost to apply for H-1B?
The total amount would be $5,000. It includes all the fees, all the necessary fees, and it also depends if you want to do the premium processing or not. Because if you do the premium processing, it's extra cost, but then you will receive the decision within 3 weeks. But the downside is that even if you receive the decision within 3 weeks, you can start working until October 1st.
Oh, wow.
So there is actually no point to apply for the premium processing. You could apply for premium processing, but it will be probably in September, as long as the quota is still available.
Yeah.
In that case, you will need to receive the approval within 3 weeks and start working on October 1st. But other than that, I wouldn't encourage you to pay the extra money.
So what are the odds that the quota would still be available any other time?
Sometimes it's, you know, let's say it was in 2000, I believe in 2011, the quota was filled out by November, by Thanksgiving. Last year, the quota was filled out by April 5th.
Wow.
So it really depends.
Do you have any projections on this year, how the quota might be going?
No, not really. No. So I just encourage everyone to apply on time.
Anything else I should know?
Well, if you have any questions, you can email us or call us, and I'll be happy to provide consultation. Or you can download the ebook on our website www.immigrationvisa.com, and if you sign up to our newsletter, you can receive ebook how to get your H1B visa basically for free. So that's a great way to get familiar with this topic, and then consequently you can call us or schedule a consultation with me.
Well, that was really informative. Thank you. I appreciate your
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.